more than 100 years, Starrett has set the performance standard for the bandsaw blade industry. Welcome to Gladiator, the ultimate competitor in bimetal bandsaw blades. Cut carbon steel, stainless steel, cast iron, aluminium, brass, copper and more. Cut solids, profiles, tubes, bundles and contours. Get longer blade life, faster, straighter cuts, improved surface finish and lower cost per cut. Established results with Gladiator. Gladiator really is the blade of choice for metal production cutting. Variable pitches from 0.8 1.3 to 1014 and widths from 13 to 80 mm ensure there's a Gladiator blade to meet every need. The Gladiator tooth form provides easy penetration in even the hardest to machine materials. The precise tooth set provides smooth surface finish every time, and the unique tooth gullet design produces exactly the right type of loosely rolled chips. Gladiator blades power through interrupted cuts. The positive rake of the teeth minimises vibration and noise, and the fatigue-resistant alloy steel backing strip guarantees superb blade life, making Gladiator the ideal blade selection for any pipe, profile, casting or structural. When cutting contours, the unique design of the Gladiator teeth provide accurate cuts and outstanding heat and wear resistance, even when used without coolant. The Gladiator blade slices through small solids quickly and easily, and provides the wear and shock resistance necessary to cut bundles of all shapes and sizes. Caterpillar, the world's leading manufacturer of construction and mining equipment, manufactures articulated trucks at its facility in the northeast of England.
My name's Keith Emerson, Initial Operations Charge Hand, Initial Operations Caterpillar Peterlee. We've been using Starrett blades for 20 years plus, and we cut a variety of steels from EN3, 50B to ST52. Starrett blades, we first got in here because we weren't getting a very long lifespan out of the blades we had, and we got Starrett in and we've been very pleased with them ever since, and so we've had good service. At the moment we use a 3.2 Varicat blade, and with the new Gladiator we find that we're getting 500 to 600 minutes longer cutting time.
In metal production cutting, you can rely on Gladiator. Cutting solids, structurals, contours and bundles, it really does cut quicker, cut straighter and last longer, leaving the best finish on every cut.